Look, got me in Dai Dap Mui. He has 11 fingers. He's got 2 thumbs. Lok Chmuai, Luadum. Guachmua, his name is Luadum, and he fixed my moto. I was gonna give it up for lost, but he fixed the generator, the starter. There's the starter. It was the starter. The starter coil was totally burnt out. You see that? And he fixed it because he's got 11 fingers. He's the only one who could fix it. See that? Yeah. I'll take that for $1. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Lice on here. See that? And I was worried about my moto for a long time. It wouldn't start. He fixed the starter. I was going to give it up for lost because the Kickstarter's broken. The Kickstarter's broken. So, and it wouldn't push start. Good. Nice job, man. All right. I'm Mr. J here with the miraculous 11-fingered fixer at Phnom Penh. If anyone wants to know where he is operating, I'll let you know. It's on Street 19 near Wat Botum. Take it easy. I'm going to go for a test ride now he's fixed it. The 11-fingered, that's lucky. He's got an extra thumb, and I think that's what put it over the edge, folks. That's what enabled him to fix my motorcycle, as you can see here. All right.